Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rakshita, currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication. My USN is 1VE22EC090. My subject is uh, Introduction to Civil Engineering. Now, the scopes of civil engineering: surveying, building material, construction technologies and building construction, geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, water resource engineering, transportational engineering, environmental engineering, and earthquake. First, first and foremost, let's discuss about surveying. Surveying is a practice of measuring and mapping the Earth's surface. It is a science, art of map making. It involves determining distance, angles, and evaluating the creating representation of land and structurals. Surveying is used in various fields including civil engineering, construction, land developments, and environmental plannings. Modern instructions are distance meter and total stations and etc. In surveying, there are some types. Geotic surveying. Geotic surveying involves measuring large area of Earth's surface in an establishing a global corresponding system. Topography surveying. It is focusing on gradient data about the nature and man-made features of the specific piece of land. Construction surveying, using during the building process to enhance placements and analyzing the structures. Now let's go through building materials. Building materials are what? Building materials are established compounds used in the construction projects to create structures. This involves the necessary strength, stability, durability, and withstand various environment conditions. Building materials can be categorized into new materials such as wood and stone and man-made materials like concrete, steel. Geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is a branch of civil engineering but which deals with the behavior of earth materials. It involves a study of solid, soil, rocks and the many other structures and construction projects. Geotechnical engineering analyzing the machines and thermal properties of earth to ensure the safety and sustainable designs. Now let's go through structural engineering. Structural engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with the design and analysis of the structure. It involves the application of scientific principles and engineering technologies to ensure the safety, durability of a building, bridges, dams and any other infrastructures. Designs and detailed structure elements such as beams, columns and foundations to meet safety and performance required. Main foremost there is a The main foremost is a transportational engineering. Transportational engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with the design, construction and the maintenance of transport system. It involves planning, designing, cooperating various modes of transport including roadways, railways, airports and waterways. The goal of this transport engineering is to ensure safety, efficiency and sustainable movement of people and goods. Now let's discuss the what are building materials for the construction of a good infrastructure. Mainly we require bricks, cement, plain concrete, structural steel, construction elements and reinforced and pre-stressed concretes. Now let's go through one by one. Materials used for the constructions. First and foremost, concrete. Concrete is a popular material used for construction made by the combining cements, sand and gravures. It is durable, fire resistance. Steel. Steel is commonly used in the construction due to the strength and reflectable and it is used to the construction frames, beams, columns and reinforcement. Next comes wood. Wood is a natural and renewable material used in the construction. It is a sustainable and provides excellent structures properties. Next comes the main one is a bricks. Bricks is a traditional building materials made from clay. It is durable, fire resistance, and bricks is used from the ancient period for the constructions. Glass. Glass is used for the windows, doors and modern construction. It is transparent, allows natural light inside the houses or the construction, which advertisements in the technology provides improvement energy efficiencies. Stone. Stone is a natural material used for construction, known for durability. It is commonly used for the walls, floorings and decorative elements. Now what are the structural elements for use for the construction? Mainly columns, beams, slabs, staircases, masonry walls. Let's go through one by one. First of all, what are structural elements? These structural elements refers to the compounds that makes up the structure and provide supports and stability. These elements can be found in various types of structures such as building, bricks and towers. The structural and design of these structural elements depends on the factors like load bearing capacity, material stability and intrinsic uses. Beam. Beam is a horizontal material that supports loads and transport them to various columns and walls. Columns. Columns are the vertical members that carries load from beam and transfer them to the foundation. Concretes. Concrete is a durable material commonly used for the construction due to the high compactive strength. Next comes the steel. Steel is known as the strength and durability. Steels are often used in the beams, columns and truss for the support and for the long duration. Steel has been used in the construction. Next comes the slabs. Slab is a horizontal structural element that provides flat, solid surface for flooring, roofing and ceilings. Next comes the staircases. Staircases is a set of steps that allows people to move between the different levels within the building, which help us to move from one floor to another floor. Staircases can be made of various materials such as wood, metal and concrete. Masonry walls. Masonry walls are the construction during the materials such as bricks, concreted blocks and stones. These are known for the durability of strength, make them stability for both interior and exterior applications. Next comes, let's know about the concretes and its types. What are concretes? Concrete is a constructed materials made for the mixing of cement, water, aggregate and additive. This is widely used for the construction due to this durability, strength and availability to the modified into various shapes. This consists of mainly three types: plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete, pre-stressed concrete. Let's know about one by one. Plain cement concrete, that's mean PCC. What PCC is? A constructed materials widely used in the construction industries. PCC is a mixture of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water which forms a strong and durable material. PCC is commonly used for the foundation, floorings and other constructed materials due to this strength and durability. The main components of PCC of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water. Some advantages of this plain cement concretes are: PCC offers excellent compressive strength, makes it suitable for the heavy load bearing strength, acts as a binder. Binding is a aggregate together to form a solid mass. PCC is good fire resistant property, makes it safety materials for building. Reinforced cement concrete, that means RCC. RCC is a composite materials widely used in the construction. This construction of a cement, concrete, water and reinforcement bearing. RCC combines the compressive strength of a concrete and the steel. Advantages of reinforced cement concretes are RCC afford excellent strength, stability and high load bearing capacity. It has good fire resistance and it can withstand extreme temperature. RCC structures as a long lifespan and requires less material compared to the traditional components materials of concretes and the steel reinforcement. Last of these types in the concretes are pre-stressed concretes, that means PSC. Pre-stressed concretes is a constructed materials that incorporate tension steel reinforcement to enhance the surface behavior performance. This structural reinforcement in pre-tension or post-tension within the concrete to concentrate potential tension stress. This invocate techniques allows for the long span, reduce materials usage, improve durability and concrete structures. Some advantages of this pre-stressed concretes are long span, increased load carrier capacity and crack control. As you can see, these bridges they are so strong and they have high load carrying capacity and do not have any cracks. It is being constructed so finely. Next comes the bricks and its types. What are bricks? Bricks is one of the oldest building materials. As I said before, it is used since the ancient civilization. This is primarily made of clay and shell but can also include sand, limbs and other materials. Bricks are widely used for construction due to this durability, variability and aesthetic appeals. Bricks consist of three types. That means first class brick, second class brick and third class bricks. Let's discuss one by one. First class bricks. First class bricks is a highly quality bricks materials widely used for the constructed projects. These bricks are known as expected strength, durability and uniformity. These are made from clay and undergoes manufacture through the enhancing the superhuman qualities. First class bricks has a uniform size and shape, makes it easy to handle and install. They have a smoothened, dense surface that provides excellent resistance to weathering. These bricks have high compressive strength, allows them to bear heavy loads, heavily constructed buildings. As you can know this, first class bricks have a uniformly colored and it has equal edges and there are sharp edges and they can handle easy and they are used mainly for the construction, for the better construction and it's durable and it's very weather resistance in the first class brick as it is constructed by a machine. It is being unique and the color of this first class brick are uniform and they are dark red in color. Second class brick. Second class bricks are the type of brick commonly used for the construction of a project. These bricks are impact in the shape and size, make them less resistant, pleasing than the first class brick. Second class bricks has a low quality finish compared to the first class brick. They have high cracks and uneven surface, make them less stable for the exposing area. These bricks are often used for the internal walls, foundations and other areas while it's not be a priority. Second class bricks are more affordable compared to the first class brick, make them cost efficient of construction projects. Compared to the first class bricks, the quality is very less and they are lightly burnt and they are not in uniform in shape. They are lightly burnt and they use for the internal walls, for foundations and in other areas. Compared to the first class bricks, they are very they can afford compared to the first class bricks. Second class bricks are more affordable compared to the first class bricks, as I said, and their cost efficiency for the construction of projects. Last comes the third class bricks. Third class bricks are the poor quality bricks which are generally used for the temporary structures like Burntley bricks. They are not stable for the Rhinely area. They are ground molded type bricks and the burnt in clan. The surface of this type of bricks are rude and they have unfair edges. And third class bricks have shape and size not regular, and the color is softened and light in red color as it is under burnt, and slightly over burnt is acceptable, but it's overly burnt, it's not acceptable for the construction. As compared to the first class brick, second class brick, third class bricks consist of very smoother and light reddish color and uneven shapes and color, and they are overly burnt. And lightly burnt can be acceptable, but overly burnt bricks cannot be acceptable, so they are used in very like foundations and somewhat there. Okay, thank you guys for listening, and please do subscribe, follow and like my channel. Please do support me. Thank you.